This video demonstrates the conditioning travel routine, but much more than that. It shows you how you can exercise without a lot of equipment, without a lot of space. Here you'll see Alicia starting with squats. Your feet are hip width apart. Keep your chest up, go up and down. Do that for as many reps as you're comfortable with. Then we're headed into the inverted press. So you're up on your toes and you're going to bring your head down towards your hands with your butt up. So you can adjust how far away your hands are from your feet, how deep you go, work at your own level. Alligator roll is a combination of a couple of different exercises. A hollow body hold where you're working on your stomach, and then you roll on over to the Superman exercise, just working on your back. Next up, we have some jump lunges, some squat hops. Again, just trying to get the heart rate up, but do it in a way where you are mindful of your technique. Don't go just to get exhausted. You want to work on control and working on how well you do the movements.